Hi, this is Nick in the Edible Schoolyard kitchen classroom. I'm here today with a short video on whisking and emulsifying.
You'll want to work with a large bowl so you have plenty of room. You can use a whisk or a fork. Today, I'm going to use a whisk. I'm going to demonstrate by beating some eggs. Other things you might whisk include making a salad dressing, or whipping egg whites into stiff peaks, or beating cream to have whipped cream. You can whisk in a couple of ways. You can use a circular stirring motion, or a back and forth. You can also loop it up and into the air. The back and forth method tends to work the most quickly for emulsifying things like salad dressing, while looping up and into the air works best for whipping cream or beating egg whites. And that's what you need to know about whisking.
If you want to find recipes to practice your new skills, head over to edibleschoolyard.org. Thanks for watching.